Like this. Up. Look. Up. Give me up. Here.
You're going to listen to Miss Joy.
Okay, let's go.
You're going to go with your name.
So let's do a little warm up. I wrote a new song. Okay? Show me your happy dance, okay? Yeah. Okay, let's see. Happy dance. Show me
Go
your
to
happy
your
dance.
lesson. There's an answer in there. Go. Bye-bye.
Hey, Mommy, I'm going to show you my happy dance.
Go.
My turn.
What makes you happy? Okay, everyone, what makes you happy?
Yes.
What is it that makes you
Let's
better
go.
through your everyday?
Show it.
Joy is telling you music and dance.
You wanna know what it? Go.
Joy wants to see you all dance.
Shout.
See every country out there. Dance, dance, dance. Miss Joy
Yes.
wants to see every nationality just dance, dance,
Give
dance.
joy, say that.
Miss Joy
Give
wants
joy,
to see
say
your
joy.
happy
Say congratulations,
Dance is
Mr.
the
Pop.
secret to all
Congratulations.
So please,
Hey.
please just try. Show
Hey.
me your happy dance.
Now show me your happy dance. Let's go. Skip. Kick it. Twist it.
Joy wants to see
Twist
you
it.
dance. Show her
Kick
your
it.
happy
Kick.
dance. Show her your happy
Woo.
dance. It's a happy dance for
Tap
peace.
your foot.
A happy dance for love.
Tap your
A
foot. I
dance
wrote this
for
yesterday.
someone you love near, far, or above.
Turkey for the pole.
Happy dance for
Clean.
trying, for succeeding or flying.
Clean.
Having courage to
Right
be
on
true
it.
to yourself.
Congratulations,
That's
Pop.
love.
Jump.
Even if alone, no one else around.
Right.
Dance and just keep trying.
Right.
You will succeed in your heart, and
Right.
that is enough.
Right.
Miss Joy wants to see you all dance. It's really the secret to true happiness.
My kid.
Please, please just try. Show her your happy dance. Show her your happy dance. Come on, Miss Joy wants to see the world dance. Show her your happy dance. Show her your happy dance.
Show me, please.
What is it that makes you feel quite happy? Come on, Miss Joy wants to see. She is watching, gonna teach and help the world together. I in this new Joy House World Day. Okay.